So I wanted to show you guys really quick some of this new cub that I built before I show you guys getting up in the air. This was all kind of made up. I just threw it all together. I looked at some other planes online and kind of came up with everything and made it all my own. Installed some electronics here. Did the flight test wheels and a whole bunch of dollar store foam. Did a 40-inch wing on it. Pretty happy with the way this thing turned out. It's one of my best scale looking planes, I think. You'll see here I put a little window on it. And then my son helped me cover the plane with the red and white. I think it turned out pretty good. Hey everyone, this is Kenny with Flytime RC. I'm going to show you guys a new bush plane that I built, a little cub. Built from scratch. I kind of just looked at some pictures of some other RCs online and kind of made it up as I went. Using a 1250 kV motor with an 8x8 prop. At least for now. I'm probably going to go to a 9 or a 10-inch prop, but this is the best prop I had for this setup. This has a 40-inch wingspan, and without the battery weighs 340 grams. So I'm hoping it'll fly nice and slow. It's got big control surfaces. It's also got flaps, landing flaps, takeoff flaps, and full ailerons. Hoping this thing flies really good. I'm gonna try to get it up in the air, and if I can get it up in the air, I'll do some filming. Show you guys how it does. Well, it flies really good even with this 8-inch prop. I do think it needs a 9 or a 10-inch prop to give it a little bit more lift, because I tried to do a flip up in the air and it didn't quite have the power to do it. So this is definitely not the right prop for this thing. But otherwise, this thing flies really good. It's definitely touchy. It does great. I'm gonna see if I can get some better film for you guys later on. Right now I'm filming by myself, so it's kind of hard to fly and film at the same time. See if I can do a roll for you guys really quick. Get this thing up a little bit higher. Make sure I have plenty of room. There you go. Alright, that's it for this one, guys. There'll be a lot more of this plane. Now I gotta learn how to land it.